Institution's Innovation Council, Government Polytechnic Curchorem, is organizing state-level project competition 2025 for diploma students. This is the ultimate platform for diploma students across the state of Goa to showcase their innovation, creativity, and technical skills. If you are pursuing a diploma in engineering, this is your moment. It's happening on 21st March 2025 at Government Polytechnic Curchorem, and this competition will be held in hybrid mode, both offline as well as online. The registration fees for this competition is just Rs 300 per team and is open until 18th March 2025 through Google Form. Participants will present their ideas and projects before a panel of judges in a 20-minute session and will compete for cash prizes Rs 5,000 for first place, Rs 3,000 for second place, and Rs 2,000 for third place, plus e-certificates for all. But that's not all. Special awards like the Excellence in Participation Award for the institute with the most teams and the Exemplary Mentorship Award for the Best Project Guide add even more excitement. This competition is not just about winning, but it's about teamwork, problem solving, and real world impact. So register now and be the part of SLPC 25 where ideas meet innovation. See you there.